Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a topic that impacts everyone: financial success. It can feel overwhelming, but fear not. This video provides a roadmap to navigate your finances and build a secure future. What is financial success? Financial success is about more than just having a lot of money. It's about feeling in control of your finances, having peace of mind, and the freedom to pursue your goals. It looks different for everyone. Maybe it's that dream vacation, a comfortable retirement, or simply not living paycheck to paycheck. Step 1. Know your why. Forget chasing a number on a bank statement. Let's talk about what truly motivates you. Is it finally quitting your day job and pursuing your passion? Maybe it's that dream vacation you and your family have been talking about for years. Whatever your why is, write it down. This is your personal North Star, the reason you'll say no to that latte now and then, the fuel that keeps you hustling during tough times. Financial success isn't just about having more money. It's about having the freedom to build the life you truly desire. So grab a pen, write down your goals, big or small, and keep them front and center. They'll remind you that every penny saved, every smart financial decision you make, is getting you closer to living that incredible life you deserve. Step 2. Track your spending. All right, buckle up for Step 2. Tracking your spending. This might sound boring, but trust me, it's like having a financial X-ray. You can't manage what you don't measure, right? So grab your phone and download a budgeting app, or if you're more tech-averse, whip up a simple spreadsheet. Now for the next month, honesty is key. Every single penny in, every single penny out gets logged. Don't be shy. Categorize everything. From your rent and groceries to that afternoon movie ticket, and yes, even that daily latte. It might be a little shocking to see exactly where your hard-earned cash goes, but that's the beauty of this step. It's a wake-up call. A chance to see your spending habits in all their glory. This newfound awareness is the first crucial step to taking control of your finances and finally reaching your financial goals. Step 3. Create a budget. Got your spending habits tracked? Awesome! Now it's time to turn that knowledge into action with a budget, your personal spending roadmap. Think of your income as a pie, and we're going to slice it up into categories. Housing, bills, groceries, those are your essential needs and will likely take up the biggest slice, around 50% following the popular 50-30-20 rule. But don't forget to reward yourself. Allocate 30% for wants, entertainment, hobbies, the fun stuff that keeps life interesting. The last 20% goes towards your financial future, building savings for emergencies or goals and tackling any debt. Remember, this is your plan. So be flexible. Life happens, so if one category needs a little more love this month, adjust another to keep things balanced. The key is to be mindful of where your money goes and create a plan that lets you live comfortably and reach your financial goals. Step 4. Tame the debt monster feeling stuck under a mountain of bills. Don't let debt steal your financial freedom. Step 4 is all about taming the debt monster. Those credit card bills with sky-high interest rates, let's crush them first. Consider consolidating your debts. It's like combining all your monsters into one, but with a potentially lower interest rate and a simpler repayment plan. But wait, there's more. Debt-fighting strategies like the snowball and avalanche methods can be your secret weapons. The snowball method lets you knock out smaller debts quickly, giving you a confidence boost. The avalanche method focuses on tackling the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you money in the long run. Research both methods to find the one that best suits your financial battlefield. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your options, you can equip yourself to slay the debt monster and finally reach that land of financial freedom. Step 5. Build your savings life doesn't always go according to plan. And that's where your emergency fund comes in as your financial superhero. Picture this. Your car needs a major repair, the fridge decides to quit, or an unexpected medical bill lands in your lap. An emergency fund, ideally covering 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, acts as a safety net so you can weather these storms without going into debt. Think of it as a magic trick. Set up a recurring transfer, even if it's just a small amount, to a high-yield savings account. This way, you're building your financial fortress brick by brick, almost on autopilot. Remember, every little bit counts. Over time, those seemingly small deposits will grow into a powerful force, ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. So ditch the financial stress and embrace the peace of mind that comes with a solid emergency fund. Step 6. Invest for the future. Let's talk about your future. Investing is like planting a money tree. You put in a little now, and over time, it grows into something much bigger. There are tons of options, from safe and steady to potentially high growth, but also higher risk. Don't worry, you don't have to go it alone. Do your research, explore different investment vehicles, and consider getting a financial advisor to help you build a personalized plan. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Investing is a long-term game, all about growing your wealth for those big dreams down the road, like that dream vacation home or a stress-free retirement. So, take control of your financial future. Start investing today. Step 7. Protect yourself. We all know life throws curveballs, so let's talk about Step 7. Protect yourself. Proper insurance is your safety net. Health insurance shields you from unexpected medical bills, keeping you focused on getting well, not finances. Life insurance provides peace of mind, knowing your loved ones won't face financial hardship if something happens to you. It's a way to show you care, even when you're not there. Explore different plans to find the coverage that best fits your needs. Remember, a little planning today can bring immense security for you and your loved ones tomorrow. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be bumps along the road, but stay focused, stay committed, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You have the power to take control of your finances and build a bright future. Thanks for joining me today. We explored the exciting world of financial success, from setting goals and tracking spending to building a budget and tackling debt. Remember, financial success is a personal journey, and with the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve your dreams and build a secure future. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips, and I'll see you next time.